today let's start with chapter number 8, force. What is force? Right? From morning to evening, we do different kinds of activities. We all see vehicle, animals, people moving from one place to another. Nothing moves on its own. Everything needs push or pull. Right? What is a push or pull that can change the movement of an object? It is called force. What are the effects of force? So, a force has various kinds of effects. A force can make an object start to move. ठीक है, वो stop भी कर सकता है. Like you apply kick on the football. A force can speed up a moving object. We push a swing to move it higher. We push the pedal of a bicycle harder so that you can move it faster. Right? A force can slow down a moving object. We apply force in the opposite directions so that you can stop a moving one. A force can change the direction of the moving object. A force can change the shape of object. देखो आप क्या कर रहे हैं, कोई ऑब्जेक्ट मूव कर रहा है, उसकी आप शेप को भी क्या कर सकते हैं, चेंज कर सकते हैं. जैसे वी शुड स्क्वीज अ स्प्रिंग, तो आप उसकी क्या करोगे, शेप को चेंज कर दोगे. और यू आर मोल्डिंग अ प्लास्टिसाइन, उससे आप क्या कर सकते हो, डिफरेंट शेप्स बना सकते हो. Now let's study about the different types of force. We have 4 types: gravitational, frictional, muscular and magnetic. What is gravitational forces? Whenever we throw any object high into the air, it comes back on the earth. This is because earth has very special force जो object को attract करती है towards it, known as gravitational force. We are able to walk on earth because of this force. In space, there is no gravitational force of earth. That is why astronauts float space. Frictional force, when two surfaces are in contact, they rub against each other, right? और वो क्या करता है, जो stop करता है movement को, right? This force is called frictional force. ये motion oppose करता है. It always appears in the opposite direction of the motion. If there is no friction, then moving object can never stop. Rough surface have more friction than smooth surface. We slip on a banana skin because of its smooth surface. और जो सोल होता है, जैसे फुटवेयर पहनते हैं ना, वो क्यों पहनते हैं, हम उससे फ्रिक्शन को रखे बना. Muscular force, the force that we apply through our muscles. जैसे आपको पिक करना है, लिफ्ट करना है, पैडल, पुल और पुश, these are come under muscular force. What is magnetic force? By which magnet attracts things which is made up of iron and pull them towards it with some force. Right? Now we have completed this chapter. Let's move to the exercise now. Now first is take the correct option. Things move when you pull or push it. Dash can speed up the moving object. Force, energy, pressure. There is always dash. Dash is a force which stops the moving object. तो आपके क्या है? Friction force. Dash for attract iron things, magnetic force. Now give reason. जो astronauts होते हैं, they float in the space. Why? Because of absence of gravity. We rub our palms to warm them. What it do? It generates heat. ये करता है, हीट को जनरेट करता है ड्यू टू फ्रिक्शन. फुटबॉलर हैव स्पाइक्स अंडर वेयर शूज. Why? Because it increases friction. Now fill in the blanks. Dash surface has more friction. Rough. Dash force applies through our muscles. So आपकी कौन सी फोर्स होती है? Muscular. डैश फोर्स अट्रैक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट टुवर्ड्स इट्स, तो कौन सा है? ग्रेविटेशनल. We apply force in dash direction to stop moving ball. Opposite. A dash can change the shape of an object. Force. Now write T for true and F for false statement. Force cannot change the direction of the object. False. It can change. Friction is always in the direction that stop movement of the body. It's true. Friction is more on the smooth surface. Also, friction is always in the direction. No, opposite direction में होता है. Friction is more on smooth surface. It's false. Rough surface पे होता है. If force is used, an object will only move forward. False. किसी भी direction में move कर सकता है. We slip on the banana peel because of its rough surface. False. किसकी वजह से? उसकी smooth surface की वजह से. Now what is force? A push or pull? What are the different effects of force? Change कर सकता है object को, moving object को क्या कर सकता है? Stop कर सकता है, उसकी direction change कर सकता है. Define gravitational force. What is gravitational force? It is a force which attract the object towards it. What is friction? And what are the things that force can do? Object के direction change कर सकते हैं, उसको stop कर सकती है, right? Move भी करवा सकती है. This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now let's move to the next. Now we'll meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.